guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video we're going to do something very easy and flavorful and tasty. Yes, we're going to do some potato scallop, and right here I have 1 pound of potato. I have here some cheddar vegan cheese as well as mozzarella and some almond milk. Guys, if you want to continue watching this video, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, comment if you like it, and subscribe to our channel. Let's get straight into this one. Okay guys, to get started we're going to finely dice an onion, and since this onion is super big, we're just going to use half of it. I have here 4 cloves of garlic, so we want to get them finely chopped. For the Irish potato, guys, you can use you can do it skin on, but you want to cut them just around 1 inch thick. And please remember, if you have a mandolin, you can also use to do the slicing. Just be careful. Alright guys, so to this I'm going to go in with a layer of flavor, because I believe as opposed to putting all the flavor in the roux, we're going to just put some of the flavor on the potato itself. So we're going to go in with some salt, all-purpose seasoning, just a little bit. I have here some white pepper. I have here some dry oregano, a little bit of allspice. Remember, your potato scallop can be made however you enjoy yours. All right, this is how I'm making mine today. And try and get all the potatoes to be covered in our seasonings, right? Okay guys, so we can just rest this aside for a few minutes. Going in with a tablespoon or 2 of vegan butter. To that we're going to add some olive oil. We want to saute the garlic and onions, alright? So in with our garlic and onions. You want to sweat these down a little bit. At this time guys, you're going to go in with a tablespoon of flour. Let me just add ½ teaspoon more. And to this we're going to add in some milk. I'm using almond milk. You can use any milk of your choice. I've added just about 1 cup of milk. And to this now we're going to still add in some salt, because remember now we're going to build the second layer of flavor, alright? So salt, and you taste as you go along. white pepper, all-purpose seasoning, and remember, when you use the whisk helps to dissolve the flour and you don't get any lumps in the roux. Okay, so this, guys, we're going to go in with a cup of the cheddar cheese, basically what we want is just to melt this down, and a cup of the mozzarella cheese. Remember, all these cheese are vegan friendly, so you want to melt this down on low heat. Okay, adding the first layer, followed by our potatoes, and remember also the amount of cheese that you want to use is solely up to you. Okay, guys, so pretty much we're going to bake this at 250 degrees for around 30 minutes. But before so, we're going to cover the potato scallop, just because we don't want to burn the cheese on top here. We just want the potatoes to cook, because remember I didn't blanch it earlier, so we want to make sure everything gets cooked on the inside. So what I'm going to do, guys, I'm just going to cover it halfway through. I take it out, add more cheese, and return it back to the oven. Okay, guys, let's take a look. So far so good. I like that I've seen the speck of herbs in it. Yes, additional flavor. So now I'm going to go in with just a little bit more of my cheese. And now we're going to remove the foil from the top of it and let it continue to bake. Okay, guys, our potato scallop has baked fully and cooled down somewhat, so we're going to slice into it now. And this, guys, this dish is super easy to make. And there it is, guys, a very nice, quick and easy meal to make. This is super tasty. Just giving it a quick taste test. I like how all the potatoes wasn't cooked out and too mushy. I really like the texture of it, guys. Do remember, guys, to give this recipe a try. Let me know how you like it. Thank you so much for watching this video. Until next time, bye.